In this video, I'm going to tell you how to make Facebook photos private. So welcome to another video of TechSor. To make your Facebook photos private, first open Facebook application. Click on these three horizontal lines. Click on see your profile. Scroll down, click on photos. Click on photos. Click on that photo you want to make private. Now click on these three dots. Click on edit post privacy. Click on see more. And now click on only me. By clicking on only me, that post is now private. Only you can see this post. So in this way you can make your photos private. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to TechSor.